This home for sale is right next door to a church. That has to be great, right? I mean, other than Sundays, you're gonna have a quiet neighbor. I wonder if they have community dinners here, because that would be another perk. Free food! This unit on the wall is part of what they call a split system. Have any of you had something like this before? This type of system is great when you don't have central heating and AC, because it also means you don't have ducting in the house. So not only does a split system solve the problem of heating and cooling, it's also far more efficient than a central system. And when you have mini splits, like what you saw in what I'm thinking of as the primary room, that means you can have independent controls of how hot or cool you keep that area. The garage is a bit oversized and finished, and if you watch any of my other videos, you know I'm a fan of finished garages, because it means you can do so much more than just park a car in there. The kitchen is remodeled and the appliances looked all brand new, but I really like these butcher block counters. Like, Formica counters are just the cheapest and frankly least attractive option. And while butcher blocks aren't expensive, at least they look better. Not the biggest living room in the world, but it's also not the smallest. This house is just over 1,000 square feet, so no room is going to be really overly large. And that's why I said the garage being finished is a perk in this house, because it gives you options to spread out. If I were buying this place, sometime in the future, I would try to move the laundry to the garage and make a half bathroom where the laundry room is today. Anyway, if you want to see this place in person, send me a message and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search.